Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Banaz and today I will be showing you how to put sun easily in your photos in Lightroom. So this is the photo we're going to be working on today, and it's super easy. So what you do is that you go here to the right corner of your screen and you click on this little circle tool called radial filter. Good thing I got that right. And then you just make a circle where you want the sun to be. So I want it right here somewhere. I want it pretty big. And then you click Command O or Control O if you're sitting on a PC. And double click on Effect so that you put all the settings to 0 here. And I'll just remove that little marking and turn the temperature up all the way here and a little bit of exposure, and there's the sun. But as you can see, they also got it on their faces and their bodies, which is not possible if the sun is coming from behind. So what you want to do is that you want to go to brush here, click on erase, and just erase where you don't want the sun to be. So nowhere on them on the front side. And you can just Command O or just click down here to show where you are removing it. And wait, a little too much there, but that was good because then I can show you that you can go and click on A here and just fill where you remove too much. And you know what? I think I'm gonna do it even more extreme. Something like that. Yeah, I am pretty happy with that. So this is with the sun, this is without the sun. And as I said before, this is edited a little more, like the green and stuff, but it was the sun I was going to show you. So yeah, okay. See you later. Bye.